All right, let's not waste time. Let's get into it. It starts with the basics. You need a solid foundation. Some people go with simple concrete piers, while others use a full slab for extra stability. Once your container is set, the real transformation begins. Insulation is key because metal walls alone won't cut it in summer or winter. Spray foam is the go to for sealing out moisture and keeping the temperature stable. But you can also use rigid boards or eco friendly options like sheep's wool, depending on your budget. Next comes cutting and framing. Containers are tough, which is great for durability, but it means you'll need proper tools and sometimes professional help to safely cut windows and doors. Reinforcing the frame after cuts is essential so the structure doesn't lose strength. From there, you can frame out interior walls, just like a normal house, run electrical wiring, add plumbing, and finish surfaces with drywall, wood, or whatever fits your design style. Utilities are another step that makes it feel like home. Adding proper ventilation, heating, and cooling systems is a must. Many container homeowners take advantage of solar panels, rainwater collection, and composting toilets to keep costs low and independence high. It's all about making the home self-sufficient while still comfortable. Then comes the fun part, design. Containers may be boxy, but they're a blank slate. You can stack multiple units to create multi-story homes, slide them side by side for more width, or keep it ultra minimal with just one. Inside, design hacks like floor-to-ceiling windows, clever storage, and open plan layouts make the space feel far bigger than it looks from the outside. People have turned containers into chic lofts, cozy cabins, and even luxury villas. It's all about creativity. Costs vary, but a single container home can often be built for under $50,000 depending on finishes and location. Even at higher budgets, they're still usually cheaper than conventional housing. Hidden costs, transportation, permits, and modifications can add up, but they're one-time expenses that set you free from decades of mortgage payments.